Good morning, friends. I welcome you all in the second session of the last unit of 10th English 4.4 Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Friends, in the last session of English, in the videos, we have seen the chit chat and the prelude to the lesson Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom on page number 147. So, now open your books on page number 148. An interview. Yes, friends, page number 148. In an exclusive interview with Sportskeeda correspondent Taruka Srivastav, Olympic bronze medalist Mary Kom talked about her preparations for the Olympics and her elation at winning a medal. Interviewer: first things first. You are the first Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal for India. Has the feeling completely sink in? Mary Kom says, I am really happy with my achievement, and yes, it is yet to sink in. I am just so exhilarated. You are the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you? Mary says, no, not at all. I was pretty confident about myself. I knew. Your coach, Charles Atkinson, was not allowed to accompany you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations? Well, I did miss him there, but thankfully, we had already done our homework and I was well prepared. During your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the male boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? Well, I trained hard in Pune, and the male boxers were kind enough to practice with me whenever I required them. To name a favorite would be unfair. You are quoted saying, Adams was very clever, a counter puncher, but although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. Do you think dodgy judging was part of the reason you lost in semi-finals? Mary Kom says, yes. I think some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefits. India managed just 6 medals in 2012 Olympics, even though we are a nation of 1.3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to get help us in medals that are proportionate with our populations? Mary says, I think more and more people should take up sports as full-time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Yes, friends, till this we will complete the part in our video today. Yes, some new words are there. Sportskeeda is the name of the correspondent of the magazine. Elation. Yes, the word elation. Elation means great joy. In Marathi we say great joy means अत्यानंद. अतिशय आनंद मिळणे. Sunk in. Yes, means realize and accept the reality. In Marathi, when somebody wins it because of the victory, the situation of himself. In Marathi we call it as भारावून जाणे. भारावून जाणे. Yes. The next word is, already the words are given on your book on page number 148. Exhilarated means very thrilled. Thrilling, हर्ष होणे. Exhilarated means Harshabharit in Marathi. To spar. To spar is a verb. To spar means सरावासाठी खेळणे आणि पर्टिक्युलरली मुष्टियुद्धातील हातवारे करणे. Means actually they did not give the blow to the participant against him who is giving the practice. But the mock drill we can say in the games of boxing, that is called as to spar. To spar म्हणजे सरावासाठी खेळणे, मुष्टियुद्धातील हातवारे करणे. Sparring means motion of boxing during training without landing actual blows. Otherwise, the learning or the practice will be apart and the other counterpart will have to admitted to the hospital. So it is a mock. I have told you in English. In Marathi, sarvasati khelne. That is to spar and sparring. Then the word is tactical. Means planned actions to gain victory. Rananiti. That is the word. Anything else? I think billion means abja. Billions, abja. Corporates means companies or industries are called as corporates. Corporate sector, you may have heard the word in English while learning or while listening to the news or the papers. Dodgy means partial, unjust, pakshapat karne. Many a times we see in cricket, you are a good watcher of the TV, you are good cricket players, football players. Many a times we see the judgment of the umpire is not correct. Many a times we people who are observing the television says no, he was not out and out was given to him. Many a times purposely or without any purpose, something happens and it affects the decision. It is called a dodgy, that means partial or unjust decision. Then sponsors, prayojak, you may have heard in every serial, the TV or the serial or the news are sponsored by, the games are sponsored by. That word, new word is sponsors. Actually it is not new for you, but the meaning is organization that pays or aids, means give support economical, that is called as aids for the participants or the different type of the games or the events of the sports. That is in Marathi we say prayojak. Khalil Balu Mama, the serial is sponsored by, म्हणजे प्रायोजित करण्यात आली वगैरे आपण पाहतो. आपण ॲडव्हर्टाइजमेंट मध्ये हे सगळं बघतो. स्पॉन्सर, that is the word. And one such a word is a use of the phrase pretty confident. Pretty confident means very confident or completely confident. That is word pretty is used. Yes, friends, now we go through the lesson once again. Purposely I have not said interviewer says and Mary Kom says. I have tried my best to read it in the different tones so that you could make the difference. Actually, you have opened your books, or if not your open books, open your books so that it will be beneficial for you to go through the lesson. Yes, the first lesson. The sports kida correspondent, the Taruka Srivastav is the correspondent or the interviewer, and she is taking the interview of Mary Kom. And the question is, what is the first thing first, and you are the first Indian female boxer to win the Olympic medal. How are you feeling it? Are you completely sunk in? Means you are fully realizing the victory or accepted it thoroughly. Mary Kom says, yes, I am really happy with my achievement. And yes, it is yet to sink in, no doubt. She was the first woman. And I am just so exhilarated. She says, I am very, very happy. I am very happy. Very happiness is called as Harsha in Marathi, Harshabharit. Now the next question is, you are the only female representative from India in boxing. Did that put additional pressure on you for the winning the game? Or what will happen if you lose it? What will people say? That type of pressure, or the nation say? Mary says, no, not at all. I was very confident, pretty confident over just a minute before I explained it. I was completely confident about myself, means about the victory of myself in the Olympic Games. I knew. Next question is, your coach Charles Atkinson was not allowed to accompany, to come with you to the Olympics. How did that affect your preparations. Naturally, guide is very important in a particular situations for the personal games. She says, well, I did miss him a lot there, thankfully. But how she says thankfully? Why she says thankfully? Because the guide has already done her work. So she says, I have done my homework and I was well prepared. Next question is, during your preparations for the Olympics, you sparred with the main boxers of the Indian contingent. Who was your favorite sparring partner? The particular, these type of the questions are always asked by the interviewer to the person to put him in the embarrassing conditions. But Mary Kom has very lightly answered the question in her sense, and so she laughs and says, well, I trained hard in the Pune and the male boxers were kind enough, the word is used by her, kind enough, to practice with me whenever I required them, because it is against ego for the male to issue the boxing punches or the blows from the women. So she says, they were kind enough to practice me whenever I required them. To name a favorite one would be unfair for the particular person. Next question, the interviewer asks, you were quoted saying Adam was very clever, a counter puncher. Means, particularly I have told you, the interviewer asked them the punching questions, the same questions again, when Mary have answered it clearly, but even then, he wanted to put her with another name, and so the interviewer asked the questions. Adam was very clever, you said, and although she carried power, she wasn't very tactical. I was scoring, but the judges were not pressing the buttons. The interviewer says, this type of the thing you said. Do you think, so he says, do you think you have the dodgy judging was the part of the reason for your loss in the semi-finals? Do you think that because of the unjust valuation or the unjust thing that happened on the ground about your decisions of the umpires, do you think that it was one of the reasons that you lost in the semi-finals? Mary Kom says, yes, I think so. Some of the decisions were unfortunate, she says. Some of the decisions were unfortunate and did not work to my benefit. So she says, it was unjust. And the interviewer asks again the next question. India managed just 6 medals in the 2012 Olympics, even though we were a nation of 1.3 billion people. Where do you think a change is required to get help us win medals that are proportionate with our population? I must confess you that, friends, whenever there were the Olympic Games, I were the students, we were the students of your age. In the Olympic Games, India used to get only 1 gold medal, neither silver nor bronze medal, only 1 gold medal, and the game was hockey. Otherwise, there was no name of India in the medal list of the Olympic except India last with the great population with 1 gold medal. Sometimes he received gold medal in the hockey, many times not. That was the situation. So this interviewer asked the questions to the Mary Kom, what is your thinking about this type of the list of the gold medals or the very less number of the gold medals that India receives always or is able to get as compared to our population? Mary said, I think more and more people should take up the sport as a full-time career. It is very important. Many a times the people or the students, we say, they play cricket. Many a times the people or the parents scold at them. But some students, some parents are very free. They say that my daughter or son should make the career in the games and sports. So she says they should have a full-time career if we want more gold medals. More corporates, means companies and the industries, should come in and sponsor players so that the players don't have any financial pressure and can just focus on their games. Friends, here I must confess you, with the end of the video today, that the last some gold medalist women or the men, they have grown up in the very humble conditions, very poor conditions in the Northeast.